Bella, you didn't let it go.
Oh, sorry. She had no choice. Bella was going in there.
Let it go so I can do
Let it
it.
down so she can get out. Come on, Bella. Okay, there you go. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Turn around the other way. Watch your fingers.
Let go.
Why don't you let it go though?
Shoot it
Because if you don't, she'll run right into the...
Oh. We'll do it on that side. That's messed up.
If I was a cat,
Alright, get out. Bella. Bella.
Mommy, if I was a cat, I would totally eat you if I was a cat. Okay.
She's looking around like, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, you ready? Look.
Let it go though.
She would do it. She caught the side of the bag. Now you can look.